What up YouTube, this is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another video. I finally decided to upgrade my vlogging camera. I bought the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. You know, from the research I did, I found it's a good solid vlogging camera. I know a lot of YouTubers use it, especially a lot of YouTubers I know use it. It's strange, up to a couple years ago, the Canon G7X Mark II, which is what I'm filming on now, was like the primary camera that a lot of vloggers use. But a couple years ago it like switched. I guess this camera that I'm filming off now is just hard to find there, and so a lot of them switched to this. But everyone told me that I talked to that it's a really good camera. I bought this at Best Buy. It cost $549. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. I also bought, and I'll do an unboxing of this in another video, the DJI Mini mic Mini. The reason is I need a spare mic because sometimes I'm going to start interviewing people. I need a mic for me, I need a mic for them, and this will connect to that. I also bought on Amazon, because Best Buy did sell it, the DJI battery handle, because while this has a good amount of battery life, it'll eventually run out. Sometimes I do a lot of filming, and you can't just put a new battery in. Unlike my Canon G7X Mark II, which you could easily buy a battery for, slip it in. The battery here is built in. So I bought a battery handle, which would increase my battery capacity by like 60%, I guess. Now I bought the official DJI one for now. There's some like knockoff brands that they say is really good, that works pretty much just as well. I didn't get them at this time, even though they're a lot cheaper. Eventually I will, but I wanted to just stick with the DJI ones first. Anyways, I don't want to get too much into that. Here it is. This is basically just going to be an unboxing video. I'm supposed to do a bigger vlogging thing tomorrow, but I don't think I'm going to use this for that. I'm going to use my old camera because I want to practice with it first. But I will put up some practice videos. I mean, there's a ton of video out there already of people using it, but just to show it on my channel. But here, I'm just basically going to do an unboxing video to show you what's in this. I have my trusty Cobalt utility knife, which I do highly recommend these, especially I love the blue. They work very well. They're very sharp. You just open this up. But anyways, I've been thinking about buying this for a while. Originally I was going to buy it off Amazon, but I decided to just get it at Best Buy because I bought myself a new camera, and I decided just to get it at the same time at Best Buy. Okay, first you open it up. This is what it looks like. Whoops, this is one of those stuck up moisture packets. This is what it looks like. A little nervous with starting with a new camera because it just takes time to get used to. So I want to practice before I do any like major vlogging stuff. You know, do some minor things, because if something happens I don't do it right, you know, no big loss. I don't expect too much, just to be too complicated. There is an app that you could use to go with this where it uses some of the features. I will not be using that. Just don't want to. Comes in this bag, and here it is. Which, this is a nice little travel bag for it. I thought I might have to buy one, but I might not have to. Alright, here it goes. I did buy the warranty plan with it. Oh, look at that. This opens up. Let me show you. And here it is. Look at that. Let me just put this here. Let's see what else is in here. I think this is maybe a battery handle, like I said, or the battery part of it that clicks in the bottom. I'm not sure. Just want to show you all the components. I know there's a tripod and an extra mic in here. This might be the tripod. I'll open this all up in a minute. This little thing. I think this is the mic that I probably attached here to the shirt. Put this here where it's nice and safe. Ooh, it is hot out here. Another one of those poison package things. Some cables, probably for charging. Actually, this might be the mic. Yeah, it has that fuzzy thing on it. Yeah, nice little bag. This is actually perfect. This will fit in my main bag that I carry around. So then, let's see. Comes with instruction booklets, a card you can scan for the DJI forum. Yeah, quick start guide. Some stickers. Some more guides and stuff. And inside was this other box. See what's inside this. Video angle lens, promo mist. I have no idea what some of this stuff is. I'm gonna to the directions in a minute. Let me I'm gonna take these off. Let me look through this, and then I will turn the camera back on and let you know exactly what each thing is what, you know. Alright, give me a minute. Well, I'll be in second review, maybe several minutes for me. Before I go over each component, I want to show you, they have a little diagram, and this shows where everything is. Trying to show you this, and it also shows you where everything fits in the individual pouch, or the holes in the individual pouch, which I think is perfect. Okay, yeah, this thing here, which I pretty much thought that what it is, you slip the camera in there. I think they give it to protect it. Maybe when you're traveling with it or something. But let me bring this up where everything is, and I'll show you more. Okay, this is the little mini tripod, which I knew about. Pretty cool. Kinda, yeah, right there. This, I believe, is the battery handle. I'm not sure what this little one is. I have to look. I'm gonna have to watch a video myself, do some more research. Unfortunately, this thing, it shows, right, guys, all the pieces, this, but it doesn't tell you what all of them are. That's the problem. It just doesn't label it. So I gotta figure out what that little thing is. But I will. But I guess the main point of this video was basically just do an unboxing video and show you all the components. Let me take out the microphone. I think this is the microphone. That has one of those dead cat things attached to it. Or is this a cover for them? I think this, yeah, this actually is just a cover. I think that, I'm assuming this goes on here. Yeah, this is the dead cat. This is the microphone. And this is basically a little clip on back. So I pretty much know where everything, all this is. I mean, most of it's common sense, except that one piece, which I have to find out. And then you put the camera, like I said, into this. I think maybe to protect it. At least that's what I would think it was for, unless, I don't know. Like I said, I have to look at this. I've never owned one of these. I'm just getting used to it. This might be just a handle to hold it better. Maybe something like this. I'm not sure. I know I should have probably been more prepared to know what all this stuff is, but like I said, first one I bought, I just wanted to film an unboxing video and show you all the pieces of what you get. And of course, like I said, I got the cable here. It is warm out here, but I'll have some test footage up soon. Give my thoughts on the camera. I'm sure I'm going to like it, as I said, I know so many creators use this camera now. So, yeah. Alright, I'm just going to end this here. Sorry, this might not be the most in-depth video, but like I said, this mainly was just an unboxing video to show you all the components. If you want a further video up next, after I get more used to it, know what everything does more, let me know and I'll put it below. If not, there's a ton of YouTubers, I'm sure, that film this type of video already. But this camera's been on the market for a little while, so you can always check them out as well. But any comments or questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Everybody, bye. Alright, you know what that means. Time to get on to the next video. Yeah. One more quick thing I want to mention. They have, instead of the clip, if you want to clip it here, there's a magnet thing that you could use to clip it here, like say right here. And here they are. They're in like a little tiny compartment. Here it is. I think this is for both. Oh, this is, I think actually, this is a little covering for the lens, I think. And then here is the little magnet. Very tiny. I'm not going to take them out, guys. I'm going to leave them in there for now. But I'll just put that there. But yeah, I'm putting this basically away. Learn something new with this every day, I guess you could say. Some bad lighting, that's why I'm kind of rushing this. But yeah, there's a lot to learn with this little new camera.